Hello, I am Cosmin, and in this video I'll present you the Dynamic Transport Supplement new feature. This feature allows the service to find the cheapest flight for a departure, even if the price is bigger than the maximum price set for that departure, and he converts the difference in a supplement added on a passenger. You can activate this feature only on dynamic transports. You go to legs and check this checkbox, save, and after that you'll have to update the flights for this transport so the service find the cheapest flights. And now when you create a new booking, after you click on save passengers, if the price is bigger than the max price, and in this case you can see this is the price and this is the maximum price, you can see that the system add a supplement with this code on each passenger. This supplement was added manually for each company, so the system can use it, and now the difference is added to the total cost. That's it. Thank you for watching.